What do you have on? What is that? What is this? Bro, stop kissing. You guys are weird. Okay, I'm about to check it. Guys. I'm about to check it. Bro, my arm. I hate my arm so much. Guys, stop kissing. Get out call. Enjoy the app, I meant. My arm is broken. My arm is broken. Yeah, I'm gonna look. What the heck? Yo! Whoa! Yo, bruh. Follow me. Why?
Follow me.
I'm trying to look at this. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Look. Wait, Sam, I want to show you something really cool.
Okay, show me.
Look. I'm
What's
trying
it?
now.
Oh.
Wait. Let me eat the pepper first.
Bro, I can't. I'm.
That hurt.
Yo, I'm an
No
astronaut.
one else can see the fire coming out of your mouth. You have one on. You're disabled.
Hey, be quiet. I haven't seen it.
It came out awful. Plus, it didn't even record my voice for the whole entire thing.
Imagine.
Did you face reveal?
Look at this. Yes, I need. Okay, go check outside. My arm is broken again. Yeah.
Wait.
Why? Who cares? What the? Yo, how did we get there? What? Yo.
No. The green gorilla, not yet, okay?
It builds up.
Science experiment. Today, guys, in this class, I will be testing out how to set the world on fire. Someone has to be a sacrifice. Sail, get in the middle.
No, I don't want to.
Sacrifice. Get in the middle.
Wait. Bro, wait.
No, you have to be. Okay, right.
Bro, all we need is Minty Monkey.
Get in the middle.
No. Okay, fine. Okay, mom. What the? What the? Yo! Wow!
I'll find that. I'll be the sacrifice.
Yo! This graphics! Ah! What the heck? Yo! There's lava! Yo! Hey, Green! Yo,
Hey.
bro, I got an amazing video to do. Why are we like so shiny? Is it not raising? Why is it not going up?
It looks like we have shaders on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks
Everywhere else,
looks better.
looks really boring.
Doug! Someone needs to say Doug. Oh, save him.
We don't care about that.
Doug! This is... Wait, what? Dog, you gotta be a sacrifice. How are we not burning? Why are we not lava monkey yet? Like, realize does it feel pain?
I'm coming.
Okay, show me. Yeah, sure.
On the one and only. I'm coming